Begin tonight with the coronavirus pandemic. Some healthcare workers from across Acadiana held a protest against mandated vaccines in Lafayette this afternoon. News 10's Britt LaFaso joins us here in the studio to tell us why they say taking the vaccine should be a choice and not a requirement. Britt.
Mark, as more and more hospitals across Acadiana are requiring their healthcare workers to get the vaccine, more employees are speaking out against the mandate. The protesters I spoke with today say they're fighting for their freedom of choice.
Not all healthcare workers are on board with what's currently happening. It's basically about our rights, about our freedom. If they can, they can mandate this, then what can they not mandate?
And I don't believe the government should tell you what to do.
Many healthcare workers chose to keep their faces covered with their signs at the protest. They tell News 10 they fear they'll be terminated for protesting the vaccine mandate at the hospitals they work for.
We do have a right to accept or refuse medical treatment. Even if we're a nurse, we still have that right, because once we're looking at a medical treatment, we then become the patient. And we're taught our whole lives to advocate for patients, so we expect the same courtesy to be extended to us.
Many people say they attended the protest to support their healthcare workers.
My problem with what's going on now is it's turning into a tyranny. It's turning into hospital administration tyranny, making the doctors, nurses get the dirty vax.
I think we just stand up in numbers. We have exercise our God-given rights, and we should not be forced things upon us that we don't want to do.
I don't believe in the mask. I don't believe in the shot. I don't believe there's a cure for this COVID-19 because a virus will mutate. There's no way you're going to make a cure for it.
Many protesters saying they are not anti-vaccine. They say they just want more research and information on it before they're forced to put it in their bodies.
I mean, I'm all about freedom to choose more than anything else, and freedom of choice. And then we'll take our next steps.
Ochsner Health and Our Lady of Lourdes are two of the hospitals in Acadiana that have mandated vaccines for their healthcare workers. Britt LaFaso, KLFY News 10.
Britt, thanks. Hospital officials say their employees have until the end of the year to get fully vaccinated or they will face termination. As